this is the reason why I make this video, because I pass by every day over here and I saw this car, Audi R8, very nice. There you see also an Audi S-Line. Okay, here I saw some cars. Ford Mustang over there, BMW, Audi Q7, Dodge, BMW, Mercedes. So yeah, you'll find them a lot. Let's see here. There is, I don't know what this is, but it's here for a long time. Okay, there are some abandoned cars, of course, normal cars, but then I think I would bring a visit inside the shop, because look at all these cars to the left. Let's go from the beginning and let me know how much GTRs you will count, because it's just, for me it's just fun. This is a shop, they do like customizing. Look at this, GTR, 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 GTR. A lot of GTRs, but they're all covered because of the dust. So let's bring a visit to the shop. Let's go inside. I just went inside, and unfortunately for you guys, it's not allowed to film inside, but for me it was very nice to see, like, the world's fastest GTR, and that's why I couldn't film inside. They are building 2 other projects, because the one they brought to Bahrain that win the world's fastest GTR, and now they're building some other GTRs. They will be also very fast. So they explained me a lot. It was very nice to see, because I told them I'm normal Hayabusa guy, but to see these Hayabusa killers, it's very nice to see. So, and for me, I'm like a mechanic, so to see these cars, working on these cars, I loved it. Unfortunately I couldn't film it, but that's Dubai. So if you want to see these kind of things, book a flight, book a hotel, rent a car, and go see for your own, because they are very friendly. I never been to this shop, but they were very friendly. So I will check if I can see the video of the race of the car that was inside. They told me it was the world's fastest GTR, so I will check for you guys, and then I will put it in the description. So then still I can show you a car, the car they were inside. There was like almost a complete carbon fiber GTR inside. It was a crazy weight difference with the stock one, but again, I couldn't make video or photo or anything inside. They apologize for it, but for me, I completely understand, because sometimes No, let's say it like this. A lot of projects I have in my shop, the owner doesn't like me to take photograph and put it on social media. So, yeah. So you have to come to Dubai, see it for yourself. Now I'm just cruising around in the industrial area to see if there are some abandoned cars. You see a lot of normal cars like this with the dust. So I'm looking for the supercars, the most expensive cars. There are a lot of cars. They're like abandoned. But I cannot film them all. Because they're not worth it. This is like a BMW X5. Mercedes S600. This is, I don't know what it is. But you see too many cars. But this is an industrial area, so maybe a customer bring the car to a shop and he leave the country, or he don't want to pay his bills. So you never know what happened. A Honda S2000. This is Audi RS4, Nissan. So yes, I think you can find every car abandoned here in Dubai. But let's see. I'm really hoping to find some supercars. I'm just cruising this area that called the Al Quoz area. And did I saw what I think I saw? This is like BMW. You see like Audi, Jaguar, Audi. But did I really see what I think I've seen? So let's take a look. Was this? Yes, yes, yes. Okay, this is like the first very expensive car you see. This is like Bentley. So yeah, you find these cars everywhere. A little bit, so I don't know if he made the video, but this is a Bentley. It's from, I think it's here a couple of months. You see like foot marks on the trunk of the car, and it's really covered with dust. So yeah, let's see if we can find some more cars. So yeah, we just passed this one, a Q7 ABT, the special edition, BMW. These cars are quite a while over here. Look at there, there's a Maserati. Oh, and really be careful over here, because those guys, they're driving very. This is nice. This is a BMW 850, and the value of these cars in Europe keeps going up. And the Maserati, let me know which kind of Maserati it is, because I don't know. So yeah, and here you see Porsche Cayenne S, and another Bentley over there, and G-Wagon. So I'm surprised how many cars there are over here. So let's go to another area and let's see if there's some more cars. Good afternoon. This a little bit cloudy day in Dubai. So what are we going today? Because I get some questions. How is it with abandoned cars in Dubai? So let's take a ride to the industrial area and show you some cars you see in Dubai. They got left, or they just cannot work on it. So yeah, let's see if we can find some cars to show you guys. Oh, here, this is a Mercedes. No, it looks like it's already there for a while. And you can see it quite well if there's a car standing for a long time, because there are a lot of dust on it. And some cars are like, you see, like BMW 7 Series, BMW Range Rover. Oh, this is an Audi A8. You can see it's there for a while. Mercedes, the Alfa. So this one is there for a while. Porsche. So yeah, I hope you like this video. Leave some comment, like, subscribe for some more videos. So yeah, this is just one road. There's Mercedes, petrol. This is Cayenne. And the petrol. So yeah. Okay, let's find some other areas. We can find some nice cars. Not nice cars, but cars they got abandoned.